Hello, welcome to JD's Prep. In this example, the equation of a circle O is given by x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 8y equals negative 16. The statement that best describes circle O is which of the following? So we need to take this circle, which is in general form, and get it in its standard form so that we can identify the center and the radius of the circle. Okay? So let's take x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 8y equals negative 16, and let's rearrange this and get this into its standard form. So first thing is we're just going to take those two in the middle and flip them around so that like terms are next to one another. Okay. And now we're going to complete the square so that way we can get the center of the circle. So for the x's, I'm going to add in a 4 to complete that trinomial. And for the y's, I'm going to add in a 16 to complete that trinomial. So in the orange, I'm adding in 4 and 16 on the left, which means I need to add in 20, which is the sum on the right. Now when I factor for the x's, I'm going to have x plus 2 squared. For the y's, when I factor that, I'm going to have y minus 4 squared. Adding on the right, negative 16 plus 20 is 4. If you don't remember how to figure out the numbers to add, okay, the easiest thing is you're going to look at the number in front of the variable in the middle term, which is 4, right? You're going to take half of that, and then you're going to square it. So that's 2. When I square it, that gives me 4. So that's why I added 4 on that piece. For the y's, I have a negative 8 in the middle. So when I take the negative 8 and I half that, I get negative 4. And when I square that, I get 16, which is why I added 16 for the y's. Okay, so now we can identify the center and the radius. The center of my circle, right? Take the opposite sign, so negative 2, positive 4 in the center, and my radius is the square root of 4, which is 2. So now that I know my center, I can eliminate options 1 and options 2, because my center is negative 2, 4. Okay? And this has a radius of 2. So what we can do is we can actually try and plot this and see what happens. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's plot our center, which is at negative 2, 4, which is here. And I know it has a radius of 2, which means I need to go over 2 to the right, plot a point, need to go down 2, I need to go over 2 to the left, and I would need to go up 2 to complete my circle. None of these points lie on the x-axis, so it is not tangent to the x-axis. Right? But this point here does lie on the y-axis. So the circle is tangent to the y-axis, which means our answer is number 4.